If you have tried to use ChatGPT recently and get a ChatGPT is at capacity right now error message, it implies your servers are now too busy to handle your request. This error occurs when the chatbot servers are under an unusual heavy load. So in order to fix that, what you're gonna do, the first way you can go for a VPN. So for that, go to Google Chrome Web Store, and over there you can add a VPN extension and use the VPN and then reload the page, and most probably your problem will be fixed. But you're still facing the same problem. The second thing what you can do is to obviously wait for it until the servers will be ready, and you can click on get notified when we are back, so that ChatGPT will notify you through an email address when the servers will work properly. And in the last you can do is to provide your email address, but if you are a ChatGPT Plus subscriber. So if you are a Plus subscriber, then you can just send your email address, and within few seconds your problem will be fixed. But it's only for the Plus subscribers. If you have purchased a membership for ChatGPT, you can try this method also. But if you don't have any subscription, so the last option for you is to wait for it until the ChatGPT servers work properly, and after that you can easily use the ChatGPT. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.